Hello students, this is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok, your English teacher. I welcome you all to this offline English class. Students, we have discussed the pre-reading task of the prose self-reliance in the previous session. Also, we understood the meaning of self-reliance. What is self-reliance? Yes, self-reliance is the ability to do things by yourself. Dear students, please open your English textbook. I am going to read the paragraphs 1 to 3. Please listen carefully. That morning, I had lost all hopes of my future. I went out and sat under a tree in a field in a dejected mood. To divert myself, I began to watch a kid riding a bicycle at a distance. He must be practicing, I thought. Then, when I looked away for a moment, I heard a scream. I did not know what had happened, but the kid had fallen into a ditch and he was screaming. The boy's bicycle was also in a bad shape. I went to help him. No thanks, the kid replied. I can help myself. He seemed to be a self-reliant child. He did not want others to show mercy on him. He picked up the broken bicycle and limped back to his house. Here we got 6 new words. Dejected means sad or depressed. Ditch is long narrow channel cut into the ground. Scream means a very loud high pitched cry. Self-reliance is the ability to do things by yourself. Limp means walk with difficulty, typically because of a damaged or stiff leg or foot. Students, here I refers to the writer. The writer was depressed for some reason. So, he went out and sat under a tree in a field. He wanted to divert himself. He wanted to come out from his sadness. So, he began to watch a kid riding a bicycle at a distance. The kid was practicing. Then all of a sudden, the writer heard a scream of that kid. What happened to that kid? Yes, the kid had fallen into a ditch. You can see the picture of ditch on the screen. Ditch means a long narrow channel cut into the ground. The kid had fallen into a ditch and he was screaming. His bicycle was also in a bad shape. Immediately the writer went to help the kid. Then how did the kid reply? No thanks, I can help myself. He replied politely. He did not want others to show mercy on him. He is a self-reliant child. He picked up the broken bicycle and limped back to his house. Students, here it is given he limped back to his house. Do you know what is limp? Limp means walk with difficulty, typically because of a damaged or stiff leg or foot. Students, now please look at paragraph number 4. If this child can do this, you can also be a self-reliant person, can't you? I actually heard someone whisper this in my mind. Grace seemed to have descended on me. I felt a strong urge to deal with my problems, my depression, and my negative thoughts. Here we got 3 new words. Whisper means speak very softly. Grace means the mercy of God. Descended means move or fall downwards. Here, the writer was depressed. He had lost all hopes of his future. This shows he is pessimist, means a negative thinker. But when he saw the self-reliant child, he changed his mind. He imagined the mercy of God is moving downwards into his mind. Students, what thought came into his mind? Yes, if this child can do this, you can also be a self-reliant person, can't you? Finally, the writer determined to deal with his problems, his depression and his negative thoughts. Students, did you understand now? How is it very important to be a self-reliant person? Do you want to be a self-reliant person? Dear students, in today's session, we have understood the first part of the prose self-reliance. Now, I am going to ask you few questions. You have to answer it, okay? Your first question is, why did the kid scream? The kid screamed because it had fallen into a ditch. Very good, students. Your second question is, how do you know that the kid is self-reliant? Yes, when the writer went to help the kid, he replied, "No thanks, I can help myself." This shows that the kid is self-reliant. Excellent, students. Dear students, now I am going to end up this session. Your home assignment is, you have to read the first 4 paragraphs twice with right pronunciation. Also study meanings and question answers. See you in the next session with the remaining part of the prose self-reliance. Thank you. Have a nice day.